Okay, so we bought this ramp about a month ago, and it is one of the best things we bought. We have a three-legged dog. He just recently lost his leg, so we needed something for him to be able to go in and out on without slipping or falling down on his face, because it was the front leg. We also have a few elderly people in our family that are either on walkers or using canes or just need the extra help with stepping down. The mat itself works real well. Here you can see it. You have to adjust the mat every once in a while, but it's not that bad. It still helps with the footing. It's the 6-inch length on the bottom, so it sits up next to the threshold. Sorry, I can't. Right there. So it does sit right next to the threshold real well. The only problem is that we ended up having a problem with one of the bolts, and I'm going to move you this way to show you what I'm talking about. It bent, and that was for the front door. It ended up it has a problem with moving. We have concrete on the front door too, so it ends up moving around quite a bit, and it bent the bolt. I'm looking to figure out how to replace it, because like I said, it is one of the best things we ever bought for the house. Now we need to it slides around quite a bit up front because of all of the traffic that goes through. So this part here, the rubber part, does not keep it staying in place too much. So we have to constantly go in the front of it and adjust it and get it back against the threshold of the door. So other than that, I give it 4 stars. Taking away the star for the bolt. I am in the process of trying to get a hold of the company to replace the bolts, and we're going to try to figure out how to keep it from slipping. So, and we figure that out, I will update the video.